the vendor and issue of debenture for purchase of a company. So these two topics we have covered in previous class. Now, in this class, we'll discuss issue of shares to promoters, issue of debentures to promoters. There was some homework in previous class.
I think so, no.
There was no homework.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Okay, then I will share the question today. Okay, no problem. So, can you tell me who are the promoters?
Like who promote?
What?
Punches to promoter. Yeah, issue punches to promoter.
Who is promoter? You don't know?
No, sir.
Okay, so promoters are persons who help a company in registration, or the person who are the actual owners, you can say. So what they do, they start a company, they do all the process required for registration of the company, and then they take some shares when company is incorporated. Okay.
Sir, can you explain again?
Yes. Let me write it. Okay. So you know that company cannot be established itself.
Yes.
Company is created through the process of law. Yes.
Yes, sir.
Now, until the company is formed or registered, who will do these things? So we need some people, need some persons to do these works. Yes.
Yes.
Am I audible to you?
Yes, sir. Yeah.
Okay. So company is registered through the process of law, and for following this process, we need some persons. So these persons who help in registering the company with the government are called promoters. Okay.
Okay.
Now it is clear to you?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So when promoters help a company, they will do it for free. Yes or no?
I know, sir. They will charge something. Yeah.
Yes, they will charge something. So in return, when company is registered, then either they issue share or debenture, or debenture to promoters. Now, the main purpose of promoters is to establish the company and become the owner of the company. That's why they are promoting. They are not like paid labor or paid worker for the company. They are the actual owner of the company. They take shares and debentures of the company so that the company will be under their control. Okay.
Oh, yes, sir.
Okay. So this is the definition. Now it is clear to you who are the promoters and why they create help company in registration process.
Yes, sir. So basically, they're owners. Yes.
Yes. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So now, if company is issuing its share or debenture, 1 minute. Actually, now it's uh, some marriage happening nearby. That's why there are some background noise.
No problem, sir. No problem.
Okay, so am I clearly audible to you?
Yes, yeah, I can clearly listen. I
Okay.
can listen any another noise. Only you.
So issue share or debenture to promoters. So they are the actual owners of the company, and for their service, company is issuing its share and debenture. But company has to do one thing for this. They have to name this issue of share or debenture as an expenses or as an something that we do for payment to someone. Yes, because we are issuing share or debenture, so we cannot issue our share or debenture to someone who has not done something for us or who has not given something to us. We cannot issue our debenture for free, issue our share for free. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
So we need something in return. So this service that is done by promoters, what they do for registration process, it is called incorporation expenses. What it is called?
Any corporation expenses.
Incorporation expenses, or you can say registration expenses. So promoters service is called incorporation expenses. It is an expenses for the company, and for this service, for this expenses, company is issuing its shares or dividends. Is this clear?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So now the journal entry part. So when we have to pass journal entry, the first journal entry is to record expenses for incorporation expenses. Expenses payable. So the entry will be incorporation expenses account debit. Incorporation expenses account debit to promoters account. The second is for issue of share to promoters. Sorry, issue of debenture it is, not shares. Issue of debenture to promoters. Now it will be promoters account debit to debenture account. It is not capital, so we will not write capital along with debenture. It is debenture account, and if there is some percentage attached to it in quotient, then you will write percentage here. So to like 9% debenture, 8% debenture, you will write like this. Okay.
Okay.
So now please take the screenshot or write these things. Issue of debenture to promoters, and then the journal entry.
Done, sir.
Okay. Now this next one is issue of debenture to underwriters. This is case 4. Issue of debenture to underwriters. Now, who are underwriters? So, if you remember, I told you that when a company issue its share to the public, there is a condition of minimum subscription. You remember this?
Yes.
There is a condition of minimum subscription. Now,
Yeah.
yes. So if company is not able to fulfill this condition of minimum subscription, then company has to refund all the application money received at the time of issue of share. Okay. So
Okay. Okay.
we need at least minimum subscription for our issue to be successful.
Okay.
So let's say the company has issued 1 lakh shares to the public, and it received only 85,000 applications.
Okay.
So 1 lakh shares we have issued and we have received only 85,000 application, and minimum subscription criteria is 90%.
Okay.
So can you tell me that company has fulfilled the minimum subscription condition or not?
No, sir.
No.
90% should be 90,000. Yes.
Yes, 90% will be 90,000, and we have received only 85,000.
85, sir. Yeah.
So minimum subscription condition is not fulfilled. So all the
So we have to
applications
refund that.
received will be refunded. Yes. Very good.
Okay.
So to fulfill our condition of minimum subscription, we had one person or institution, you can say. These are called underwriters. What they do is, let's say we have issued 1 lakh shares and the public has applied for 85,000 shares. So before the last date of application, the underwriters will purchase the balance share from the issue.
Okay.
Okay. So 85,000 is purchased by the public. So they will purchase 15,000 shares. So total subscription will be full. Means we have received 1 lakh.
Yes.
Okay, so our issue will be successful, and then we can operate as per our requirement. So in this situation, we have to pay some amount to underwriters because they are providing us a service. Okay, and for their service, we have to pay amount. So generally, we pay underwriters in by issuing shares or debentures. Sometimes we can pay cash also. So that's why underwriters means who help us in fulfilling the condition of minimum subscription. Okay. Now we have to pass journal entry for this also. So the first entry will be for underwriting commission payable. For underwriting commission payable. So it will be underwriting commission account debit to underwriters. Underwriting commission account debit to underwriters account. The second is for issue of share, issue of debenture to underwriters. Now underwriters account debit to debenture account. This is the journal entry for issue of debenture to underwriters.
Two debentures account.
Yes.
Okay, sir.
Done.
Wait, sir. Okay.
Okay. Now we will solve a question related to this.
Okay.
Okay. So you can see the question.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So uh, there are four cases of issue of debenture for consideration other than cash. First is issue of debenture for purchase of assets. Second is issue of debenture for purchase of business. Third is issue of debenture to underwriters, and fourth is issue of debenture to promoters. Yes.
Okay.
Okay. So now,
Yes, sir.
question number 13. If you see Joy Limited Company bought a building for 9 lakh and the consideration was paid by issuing 10% debenture of the nominal value of 100 each at a discount of 10%. So we are issuing our debenture at 10% discount. Okay, this 10% does not mean anything for us. We don't have to do anything for this 10%. But here it is written that we have issued our debenture at a discount of 10%. So
Sir, I can't see a screen now. Can you refresh it?
okay,
Now, yeah, now I can see this.
okay.
So can you explain the question again? So because I couldn't see the screen before.
Okay, so the first question is question
Joy
number 13.
Limited.
You can see Joy
Uh,
Limited Company bought a building for 9 lakh. We have purchased a building of 9 lakh rupees and the consideration was paid by issuing 10% debenture. Now, this is just a name. You
yeah.
don't have to do anything for this 10% debenture. This is just a name. You don't have to do any calculation for this 10%. Okay. Am I audible to you?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So it is, and the consideration was paid by issuing 10% debenture of the nominal value of 100 each at a discount of 10%. Now, if we have to solve this quotient, first of all, quotient number 13, there is this calculation required, means we have purchased a building for 9 lakh. Yes.
Yes, sir.
And the issue price of debenture is, sorry, no. It is saying in the quotient that issue price of debenture is 100 minus discount 10%, means 90
100
rupees.
month. Okay.
Issue price of debenture is 100 minus 100 minus
10%.
10. Yes.
Okay.
So that's why it is 90.
Okay.
Okay. So number of share that will be issued is 9 lakh divided by issue price, that is 90. So we will get 10,000 shares, 10,000 debentures. Okay.
Okay.
So we have to issue 10,000 debentures. Now for 10,000 debenture, the value is 10,000 into 100. It is 10 lakh, and the discount is 1 lakh. Discount is 10,000 into 10 rupees. So it is 1 lakh. The balance is 9 lakh. Okay, now the journal entry part. So we have purchased a building. So we will write first entry, building account debit. To vendor account. It is 9 lakh and 9 lakh.
Yes.
Being building acquired. The next is we will issue our debenture to the vendor. So vendor account debit to not to vendor account debit. We have to pay 9 lakh to the vendor and to debenture account. So debenture value is 10 lakh because we have issued 10,000 debentures and the price of one debenture is 100. So we have issued debenture worth rupees 10 lakh, but at a discount. That's why it will be written in the debit side. Discount
Okay.
on issue account
Yes, sir.
debit.
Okay.
One. Is this clear?
Yes, sir.
So this is your first case. The narration will be being issue of debenture to the vendor. Done?
Yes, sir.
Is there any doubt you have in
No,
this code?
no,
This topic?
no, it's clear, sir. All clear, sir.
Okay. Okay. So the next portion, the first case is complete now. and the second case is purchase of business.
Okay.
Okay, question number 18. Please read the question.
Uh, Pvt Limited took over the asset of 6,60,000 and liabilities of 80,000 of Star Limited. One agreed purchase consideration of 6 lakh payable, 10% in cash, and the balance by the issue of 12% debentures of 100 rupees 100 each. With the necessary general entry in the books of Pvt Limited, assuming that case A, the debentures are issued at par. Case B, the debentures are issued at 20% premium. Case C, debentures are issued at 10% discount.
Okay, so the first entry, that is purchase of business, will be same
Yeah,
in all three cases.
yeah,
But the second entry for issue of debenture, then it will change in all these three cases. In first case, it will be at par. In second case, it will be at
it will be
premium.
like
In
premium
third case, it will be 10%.
discount. Uh,
So discount we have already covered, yes,
yeah,
in previous question. So
yes,
in this question, we will discuss
premium
premium.
and par. Yeah.
No, not par, only premium. Par I will teach you in other
Okay, no
classes.
problem. Okay.
Okay. So it is question number 18. Now, first of all, we have purchased assets of assets value we have purchased is 6,60,000
Yes,
and liabilities we purchased
80,000.
is 80,000.
Yes,
Means the net asset is 5 lakh
five,
80,000.
5,80,000. Yes,
This is called net assets. 5 lakh 80,000. And we have paid a purchase consideration of how much? 6 lakh.
it's like
Yes,
okay.
lakh. So,
6, yes, 6 lakh. Yes,
so we have purchased total net asset of 5 lakh 80,000, but we have paid 6 lakh. So in this case, we are paying 20,000 extra. Yes.
yeah,
So this is for goodwill. Is this clear?
yes, sir.
Okay. Okay. So let's pass our journal entry. Actually, we'll just wait 1 minute. Uh, we have to pay 6 lakh to the Star Limited because we have purchased the business of Star Limited. Amount payable is 6 lakh. 6 lakh. And in this 6 lakh, we have paid cash of 10%. So 60,000. It means 5 lakh 40,000 we have to pay by issue of debenture. Yes.
Yes,
Now, this 5 lakh 40,000 will be paid by issue of debenture. So we have to calculate number of debenture. Number of debenture formula is total amount payable divided by issue price. So in this portion, issue price is at 20% premium. We are doing case of premium, so 20% premium. The price of one debenture is 100 and we are issuing it at 20% premium. It means that the price is 120. Okay.
Okay.
Okay. So it will be 4,500 debentures. Is this clear?
Yes, sir. So by dividing 5,40,000 and 120, we got this answer. Yes.
5,40,000 divided by 120.
Yeah, that's how we got the answer. 4,500.
If you divide it by 100.
Like 4,500. How we got the answer?
No, no. Why you will divide it by 4,500?
No. I'm asking like by dividing 5,40,000 into 120, we got the 4,500.
Into 120?
No. The 5,40,000 divided by 120, we got the 4,500. Yes.
Yes.
Yeah, that's what I'm asking.
You can check it like this.
Okay.
45 into 10, it will be 450, and 45 into 2, it will be 90. So 450 and 90, 540.
Okay.
So it is 4,500 debentures. So debenture value will be 4,500 into 100, and there will be premium security bill. Now we will pass the journal entry. So first entry will be for purchase of business. So we write sundry assets account debit to sundry liabilities. So 6,60,000 is the assets value and 80,000 is the liabilities value. We have decided to give how much amount? It is 60,000 in cash, and the 60,000 in cash and balance 5,40,000 in form of debenture. So total 6 lakh we have to give. Now on the
Yes.
debit side, 20,000 is less. I told you that we have paid 20,000 extra
Extra. Yeah.
here. This is for goodwill.
Goodwill. Yeah.
So we have to write goodwill on the debit side. If we have paid less amount, then it will be written on credit side as capital reserve. So this is our first entry. Now in second entry, we will give money to the vendor. So vendor account debit to cash account, and we are issuing our debenture at premium. So it will be to debenture account and to security premium. So 6 lakh will be paid 60,000 in cash, 4,50,000 in debenture, and 90,000 is premium. Okay.
Okay.
So we have done this calculation: 4,50,000 debenture, 90,000 premium, and 60,000 cash.
Yeah.
Yes, 60,000 cash. Done?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So do you have any doubt in this question?
No, sir. Please.
That's clear. Very good. Okay. There is no question for issue of debenture to promoters or the underwriters. Let me see the question. Is your book with you right now?
No, sir. I have book. My book is with my friend, sir.
Is different?
Yeah, it's a different. Also, it's different, sir. Is it double entry one or not? I have a double entry book.
This book.
No, 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 no. I don't have this one. This is 2019, yeah. I have 2023.
This
Sorry,
is also
2020.
double entry.
What is 2019?
29?
It's 2019 edition, yes. I have
Yes.
2023 edition.
It's old one. Yes. Yes, there is one question. Actually, this is little. I'm writing the contents of the question so that you'll understand. There is a company, Grown Limited. Grown Limited, and it issued 500 10% debenture of 1000 each. 1000 each to promoters. And it also issued 110% debenture of rupees 1000 to underwriters, fully paid up and fully paid up. Clear? This is the question.
Okay.
So we have to pass journal entry for both of these. Now this is at par quotient. If you see, there is no premium, no discount. So the first entry will be for incorporation expenses. One minute. Okay, so first of all, incorporation expenses account debit. Debit to incorporation expenses account debit to promoters account. The second entry will be promoters account debit to debenture account, 10% debenture account. To debenture account. What will be the amount? 500 into 1000. So it is 5 lakh. Okay. Okay. So in corporation expenses account debit to promoters 5 lakh and promoters account debit to 10% debenture 5 lakh 5 lakh, because we have issued total 500 10% debenture of 1000 each to promoters. Now part in the second part we have to write the underwriter's entry. So it will be underwriting commission account debit. Am I audible to you? Hello, Harkirat.
Yes, sir. Yes, I can hear you.
Okay, so underwriting commission account debit to underwriters account. How much shares we have issued to the underwriters? Total number of shares is 100 and the price of one debenture is 1000. So total amount payable to underwriters is 1 lakh. 1 lakh. And then we will issue our debenture. So underwriters account debit, underwriters account debit to, what will we write here? What will we write here?
Underwriter account debit to.
To what will be written here? Underwriters account debit to
Promoters account.
promoters. It will be 10% debenture account.
Dependents. Okay.
Why we will mix underwriters and promoters in one entry?
Yeah, sorry.
So it is 1 lakh. So we have completed all the cases, all 4 cases of issue of share for
Yeah.
consideration other than cash. First
Yeah.
one was issue of debenture for purchase of asset, issue of
Yes.
debenture for purchase of business, issue of debenture to promoters, and issue of debenture to underwriters. Now,
Yes.
do you have any question in these topics or question?
Doubt, yes. You're asking doubt.
Any doubt?
Uh, Not really, sir.
So